Do not get consolation by seeing the enlightened master's actions. They are supposed to come down. You are supposed to go up. Where will you go down? Already you are. What more going down can happen to you? Oh, see, don't do what masters do. Do what they say. Because I don't think my actions are going to help you. Only my words will help you. Even in my case, I will always tell that when you eat, put your awareness on the food and all those things. When I eat, purposely I should be given a newspaper or some paper. Because if I put my awareness, I can't eat more than this much. More than this much I won't be able to eat. Maximum 4 or 5 morsel food only will go inside. So I have to put my awareness and attention in something else. I'll be eating, I'll be seeing something else and talking something else and quickly push the food inside the mouth. It will be like I have to be told so many stories to eat. So like this. So enlightened master's lifestyle itself can't be, you can't duplicate in your lifestyle. When you see the confidence and the courage and the main thread, the energy, that you can pick up, but not the activities itself. There was an enlightened Zen master who was a chain smoker, and that guy was asked, you are a chain smoker and you are teaching everybody don't smoke. He used to tell everybody don't smoke, don't smoke. Then that master says, I don't have to practice what I teach because I am not in the same plane to whom I am teaching. To whom I am teaching, they are in different plane. I am in different plane. So it's totally different space. I am teaching for that person. So I am in totally in different place. You can't expect me to follow that. So can one be enlightened without being a healer? Yes, you can become enlightened without even coming to my program. So even coming to my program is not necessary to become enlightened. There are so many ways to get enlightened. Healing initiation may help you. Being a healer may help you. But tomorrow's healing initiation, you don't need to be a vegetarian. If you want to go for the next level healers initiation, you have to be vegetarian. Tomorrow you are going to heal only yourself. Self-healers, I made it separate now. Can you describe what we will see when we achieve enlightenment, please? I can't describe, I can tell you what you will feel. You may feel that, see now how much you feel you are alive in your skin, inside your skin. Same way you will feel alive in everybody, in everything. Now I can straight away tell what you are thinking. I can straight away see and write the whole thing in the board. I can straight away feel what you are feeling inside. How I feel strongly alive inside this skin. Same way I feel in everybody, every skin, including this pillow, or this plant, everything. This is the exact feeling you will have. It will be an intense joy and excitement and bliss. You will know that the whole world is nothing but the energy wave in energy wave. That's all. It is just rising, jumping, dancing, and it will just disappear. It's a beautiful energy wave. Because of this courage and confidence, the death fear will disappear. You are never going to die actually. You are always going to exist. Always you are going to exist in much better form. That is the truth. In much more better form than how you exist now. So you are only expanding. The continuous auspiciousness is happening. That is what is called life in the planet Earth or in the cosmos. A continuous auspiciousness. Every moment you will be a better and better being. That is the continuous auspiciousness. A huge energy wave rising and playing with itself. Energy playing in energy. Play of eternal consciousness. That's what we call Leela. Leela. We don't call life as a history or something. We call it as a Leela. So that is the truth. You will realize that. That's all. Are there life forms? That's all. I think I answered this part. Can one figure out who or what he or she was in the previous life? I can't tell, but usually why do you want to know? It will be too much load on your head. Last your 30 years memory itself is haunting you. Why do you want to suffer with a 60 more years memory? Enough, this 30-year memory, get rid of this 30-year memory. Can family members be reincarnated into the same family? Usually these fellows come back again. Because somehow, even after so much of punishment and suffering from you, they don't get the intelligence. They come back to suffer with you. Many times I have seen these family members, if they are too attached, they come back. They get back to same family. Are there life forms in other galaxies? Yes, there are life forms in other galaxies. I myself have related with few of them. But their size and the volume and all is too big. I can't even give you some example or imagination to think about them. Their power and the proportion, the definition and all is totally different. Those guys doesn't need any weapon or instrument to travel anywhere or to do anything. All they need is just one thought. Any thought they can manifest and make it reality in 1 second. We call them Gandharvas and Rishis. What is there after enlightenment? Don't think it's like an end. Enlightenment. Enlightenment is ultimate experience but not final. Means that ultimate will be happening every moment. That is enlightenment. It is not even enlightenment. Enlightening. Enlightenment is a noun, not verb. It's not a noun, it's a verb. It's a constant happening, enlightening. So you can't even ask after what. Where are Buddha, Mahavira, and Jesus these days? They are all sitting here and there everywhere, don't you see? They are all here to guide you. Oh God, big thank you. Nice, was nice. Seeing the handwriting, I know from whom it is. Okay, let's work on that. Vijnanamaya Kosha. It's a nice. All right, please settle down. Do be enough. Come back.
How do you say it? Well, how do you say the G?
Vijnanamaya Kosha. Jnana. No, tell jnana. Jnana. Means Vijnanamaya Kosha. Okay? You can pronounce as you want, no problem. Visualization layer. Maybe you can translate it into English. Visualization layer. Understand, before even you give the instruction, people start tying it. First understand about that and let's learn the meditation, then we can. This is a beautiful process. Now you are supposed to go beyond your visualization. Only then the whole visualization layer will be cleaned. How to go beyond visualization? Because anything you visualize will be visualization. How to go beyond visualization? Anyhow, that's my responsibility. I will do that. You can just understand these few things and do the process. The result itself is my responsibility. Understand the boundary of every kosha, every layer. Your annamaya, the first layer boundary is your skin. Where your skin ends, there your annamaya kosha ends. First layer ends. Pranamaya, breathing layer. That boundary ends your smelling distance. If you can smell 6 feet, that is around you. That is the pranamaya kosha boundary. Your manomaya kosha boundary is all the things you can understand logically and comprehend, handle. That is manomaya kosha boundary. Vijnanamaya kosha boundary, all you can visualize. is Vijnanamaya Kosha boundary. Now, you are supposed to just jump out of your visualization. That boundary means we will visualize to the extent where you are just not able to visualize anymore and become silent. Your visualization is exhausted. For example, if you can visualize this room has become already part of your Vijnanamaya Kosha. Am I right? If you can visualize this whole hotel has become part of your visualization. If you can visualize this whole Oklahoma City, the Oklahoma City has become part of your visualization boundary. If you can visualize this whole country, then this whole country has become part of your boundary. If you can visualize this whole globe, planet Earth, the planet Earth has become part of your boundary. If you can visualize this whole galaxy, that has become part of your boundary. When you are expanding your boundary like this, at one point, suddenly your visualization will give way, will break. For some people, it will break even while you are crossing this country. For some people, it will give way when you cross this planet Earth. And at one point, it has to give way. It has to give way. Maybe this whole galaxy or the galaxies. How will you comprehend the whole galaxies inside your visualization, inside your boundary? Naturally, your visualization has to give way. At one point where your visualization should feel awe and should not be able to expand further. That space, that jump is what is needed for doing the process of Vijnanamaya Kosha to enter into the next layer of Anandamaya Kosha. I'll guide you step by step. Please see that. First, you expand your boundary to this room and clearly feel this whole room is inside you. Anything you can visualize inside you. Because Vijnanamaya Kosha boundary. Maybe inside your Vijnanamaya Kosha boundary. You can even visualize, anything you visualize is inside your body. You can see the whole planet Earth moving around inside your body. Means that is what you think as your boundary. So the whole thing is inside your boundary. Just try to expand you step by step. Visualize this whole thing is inside you. And this whole area is inside you. Then this whole city is inside you. All the traffic and traveling, everything is going inside you. Just expand your boundary. Step by step, where your visualization gives way to the truth, to the reality. Please close your eyes, tie the ribbon.
Swami, do we have to hold very still in this one too?
Your body should be still. Please now itself adjust your body. Your body should be frozen. Once you start the meditation, you can nicely relax, but don't lie down. You can stretch your leg. You sit in a very relaxed way. Your body should be frozen once you start the meditation. as possible.
नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी
Feel your boundary inside your skin. Just feel you are filling your whole body. Let you be filled inside your skin.
ईश्वरी शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी
Expand your boundary to your pranic layer. Means 6 feet around you. Few people around you are sitting inside you.
नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जननी
Feel the people who are sitting around you are inside you. Expand to your pranic layer.
जगत्कारिणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी परिपूरणी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारणि परिपूरणि नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी
Expand to this whole room. Feel. This whole room is filled by you. All of us are sitting inside you. Everyone here is sitting inside you.
सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी 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 नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारणि परिपूरणि नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि
Let this whole hotel, this whole area be filled by you. See all this building structure, everything is inside you. Everything is inside your boundary.
सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभ जननी 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 जगत्कारणि परिपूरणि 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 सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी
Expand. Let this whole city be filled by you. Remember all the corners of this city. Let this whole city be filled by you. All the traffic, all the movements, the whole city. Let it function inside you. Inside your bound. Expand. Let this whole globe, planet Earth, be inside it. Whatever you know as planet Earth, let you fill it. Remember everything you know about planet Earth. let all those places be filled by you. Let all those places be part of you. Expand. Let everything be inside you.
जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी
expand. The sun, moon, planet Earth. Let the whole solar family be inside you. See, all the planets are moving inside your boundary. They are all filled by you. You are filling them.
जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी
Expand. See all the galaxies. The whole cosmos is inside you. Go beyond, beyond, beyond. The whole cosmos is filled by you. The whole cosmos is inside your inner space. Expand, expand, expand. Continue to expand.
जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी जगत्कारणी परिपूरणी नित्येश्वरी शुभजननी नित्येश्वरी शुभ ईश्वरि शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जननी जननी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी परिपूर्णी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी परिपूर्णी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी जगत्कारिणी परिपूर्णी नित्येश्वरि शुभजननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी धर्मसंवर्धनी जननी
Expand to the space where darkness is covered by darkness, light is covered by light. Beyond light and darkness, expand.